7 days of Vlogmas.
Good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 4. I just woke up, obviously. Got all kinds of stuff we're doing today. Friends fly in tonight. I have 4 friends from college visiting. Well, 3 friends from college visiting, but then Delaney's also gonna stay over too, so we're all together. And we have an action-packed weekend. So I need to prep for my visitors. And, but we're gonna start off the day with a workout and like a morning to myself. I self-tanned last night and I'm like, I feel like it didn't work. But I did self-tan my hands and I watched this method on how to do it. And I think I did a pretty good job. Gonna make myself a cup of coffee and upload today's Vlogmas, which is always fun. Like, I love this week so much. And I'm going to the gym with my friend Cassidy. We're kind of like workout buddies, and today she's actually gonna come to my apartment and we're gonna use my apartment gym. So luckily for me, I don't have to be ready until right at 9:30 when we planned on it, whereas normally I'd be like walking to the gym, you know, you gotta be ready before. Like, I only have to be ready when she gets here, which is just awesome, and I'm so excited that she wants to come use my apartment gym. So we're gonna get the day started. My mornings have been elevated for 2 reasons, really. 1, my Minky Couture blanket. So many of my friends post about these blankets. I've always been a barefoot dreams blanket girl, but it's not a weighted blanket, but it almost feels like one. It's incredible. And just having this on my body in the morning, like, oh my gosh, it's just a warm hug. Truly, like, I don't know how to explain it. If you have a blanket, you know. And then also, I got this couch like cup holder. I think that's what I looked up on Amazon. It's not the material I thought it was gonna be. It's almost like a plasticky, rubbery material, but I guess it's like that so it sticks to your couch better, so it has some traction. This part of my couch, the arm of my couch, is very thin, so I almost wish I got one that was even thinner that wraps around. But it feels pretty secure, so it's nice. I can put my phone here, and then my coffee. That's the biggest thing, because if you're like sitting back, I've spilled coffee one too many times. As you guys know, I spilled it on my rug. So I'm trying this out that I got on Amazon so that I can chill here, be on my computer, upload Vlogmas, and then grab my coffee. However, I feel like okay, it doesn't really move as what am I doing? Okay, I just needed to pull it closer to me. Now I have my coffee in this cup holder. It's definitely still not perfect because it doesn't fit perfectly on this, but it's better than nothing. Workout set of the day. I'm obsessed with this set from Beyond Yoga. I have it in a couple colors now. It's so comfortable. I have it linked on my LTK always. And some sneaks. I'm gonna put on a little lip balm and I'm gonna meet Cass in the lobby. And we're gonna go to the gym. And usually what we do is kind of what I do when I go to the gym alone, is we treadmill, but it's fun with her because we talk. So hopefully no one else is in the gym today. And then we do weights, and I'm excited to start my gym, so let's go. Okay guys, I am at the Function of Beauty salon. I'm here with Erickson, and he's mixing me up a cocktail. That's what I keep calling it. And we picked out all these little boosters to put in my shampoo and conditioner, and I'm so excited. It's like fully tailored to my needs, and this is available at Target now, so we love that. I just got my hair blown out. I am so obsessed. It's so cool that part of what I do, I get to work with brands to get a blowout. Like, I am beyond grateful, and I do not take that for granted at all. Function of Beauty hooked it up, and now I have hair for the weekend. Like, incredible. I'm starving for some lunch, and thankfully I ordered some Eat Clean Bros ahead of the weekend. I'm gonna go for this. This is the teriyaki chicken thigh, and you just heat it up. So it's 1:30 now. The day has kind of gotten away. I was just making a list of everything that I need to do before my friends arrive. My first friend, she's gonna probably get here when I'm at the podcast studio because Brooke and I are podcasting today. But my hair's already done and I've already showered. So from 1:30 to 2, I'm gonna eat and do as much cleaning as I can. And then from 2 to 2:30, I'm gonna do my makeup. And then we're gonna go to the podcast studio. And when I come back, I will finish doing whatever I didn't get done. But it's all like little things. Like I need to make I need to put the sheets in the dryer. I just put on makeup and I decided to just keep this outfit on to podcast because I just wanted to be comfortable, but I'm headed to the podcast studio to meet Brooke. We're doing a holiday themed episode. It's actually gonna be our last episode of the year, which is pretty emotional, really. And potentially when I get back, my friend McKenna will be here. So I'm gonna tell the doorman to let her in if she gets here. But yeah, I'm feeling good about where my apartment is at. I just didn't get to make my bed, but honestly, I can have McKenna help me because we all know that's kind of tough. Oh god, I'm gonna get there right at 3. That sucks, but it's okay. I was literally drinking a Coke because I needed like caffeine today. Just recorded our last episode of 2024.
I can't believe it.
I know, but
That's a wrap.
that's a wrap. Also, yeah, well, I won't say anything.
It feels right.
Feels right, feels right. First visitor is here. Also, where's your set from?
Amazon.
It's so
Isn't it cute?
stinking cute.
It's a little long, but
But-
so like for short people, it's a little long, but it's so comfy and warm. Like it's
warm?
literally so warm.
You're gonna have to send me that link. Like, I think I
will.
need that. And we both got in at the same time, and I was like, I'm gonna order a smoothie, and she was like, I want one too. So perfect. We're gonna try. Or I mean, I get this every day. Not every day, but like I get it a lot. So let's see what McKenna thinks of the OPP. Did you look? So you saw the ingredients?
Yes.
Okay, so you were like, it just tastes like a
I
chocolate
figured
smoothie.
protein would be good for me.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Right?
Yeah.
It's so good. It's like a chocolate milkshake, but healthy edition. So me and McKenna are gonna start Nonsense Christmas. It's on Netflix. It's Sabrina Carpenter's like Christmas special ? I don't really know. But we're just gonna chill here. I have a little bit of work to do. So I was like, let's put this on. Madeline just landed. She's en route. So that's good. And then Isabel's the last, and then Delaney's stopping by tonight. But cozy vibes, wholesome night before our weekend gets wild. It Ends With Us is on Netflix.
Yeah.
Wow. My God, I'm excited. I've been wanting to watch this. 50 minutes long. Is it like a concert? I guess we'll find out. She's so perfect. Like, wow. Executive producer. Every single outfit she's worn is so cute. Now she's rapping. This is so funny. I think I'm obsessed with Nonsense Christmas. Like this song. Hey. Hey. She's so cute. We just finished watching. McKenna helped me make my bed, and Madeline just texted us that she is almost here. So we're gonna go greet her in the lobby and get her. Yay! Visitors are arriving. Our second guest has arrived. Hey y'all. I'm so happy you're here. She came in from South Carolina. McKenna's here from Atlanta. Like, this is so exciting. Delaney is on the way. Madeline, it's her birthday this weekend. Woo woo! On Sunday, right? So Saturday night, midnight. We have really fun plans for Saturday night.
Celebrate.
Like, so excited. And then she just finished finals for law school.
Thank the Lord, I'm done.
It's done. She was like, I've been looking forward to this weekend. Like, I'm sure it's like, it keeps you motivated. So we're gonna celebrate. Delaney's gonna meet us. We're gonna go grab some food, just some quick bites somewhere. And we went to go grab Madeline, and my doorman were like, are you going to the party? And I was like, what party are you talking about? They're doing like a winter wonderland party for the residents here. And I feel like I just wanna like pop by and like say I went. And they have like champagne and caviar, so I'm like, that could be cute. And they're doing like makeup touch-ups. I don't even know. I thought they were kidding with me. They're like, makeup touch-ups? Do you want to get your hair done? I was like, are you kidding with me right now? They're like, no. So, and I need to give you guys the amenities tour once Isabella gets here. Isabella lands late. So we're gonna get some bites to eat and start the weekend. I'm so excited. Guys, this is the most wholesome thing ever. I'm like seeing all of my neighbors. Like, it feels very Gossip Girl. This is so cute. Hello, darling. Aww. Very sweet. We just got back and we all wanted a sweet treat, and I had cookie dough, so we're baking cookies. Delaney's over here trying out the Minky Couture blanket. Isn't it lovely?
Nice. I get the hype. It's Minky Couture?
It's called Minky Couture. It's so cozy. You guys look it looks like Christmas night right now. It's like Christmas Eve all through the house. Delaney, what did you just say?
I've never noticed this light. Is this video?
It was installed yesterday.
I'm sitting here like, if I see this light.
You were like, I've had this light forever, and it looks kind of odd with Christmas. It was literally installed yesterday.
I love it.
So I haven't like posted about it yet, but I haven't dropped the new light yet. No, but it's because I feel like it looks random with the Christmas tree and stuff, but when it's gone, it's gonna make sense. Okay, so Delaney was just telling us that if you go on Amazon, I'm gonna try it right now, and you type in just on the top, thank my driver. So that's it, and now it will tip them $5.
Yeah, it should say at the top.
It says, thank you for your appreciation. We'll share your thanks with your driver. Is that what that is? And it tips them $5.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Thank you for your appreciation. We'll share your thanks with your driver.
Okay, you got the same thing. That's so cool. So it just tips your driver from something you ordered in the last 14 days. That's really sweet. I love that during the holiday season. Thanks for sharing that, Delaney. A little tidbit. So poor Isabella's just had the longest travel day. And she just texted like, guys, am I going to the right apartment? And me trying to prank, I was like, guys, I'm gonna text her and just send like a random address. And then she sent the address, and the address is my old apartment, like 2 apartments ago. And she goes, y'all, this is the address I put in. And we're like, oh no. And she said, dang it, my sugarfish is there. She ordered Uber Eats sugarfish because she's always wanted to try it, because apparently Rachel Kirkconnell has talked about it. So we're telling her to go to the old apartment, pick it up, because that unit number it might not even exist there, which is weird because she ordered her Rent the Runway and it came here. So I don't know why she has 2 different addresses, but poor girl, she needs to get her food and then she'll come here. Okay guys, you guys know the drill. We're gonna do advent calendar. I have an audience. Live studio audience. 7 days of Vlogmas, and there were 7 days of this, so I thought it was perfect. Today's day 4. Let's see, what is it? What is it? Yesterday it was a body wash, like a mini shower gel. Body lotion. Lazy Sunday morning. I have all my minis now. It smells really good, if anyone would like to smell. Nice catch. Preemptive nice catch. And then I've been saving this to open. I don't know why, but my management company sent me over this. It smells good. A Loewe something. It's like genuinely so pretty. I like don't want to open it, but I'm gonna take a picture of it first under the tree because it's so pretty. I think it's a candle. These are fancy. Cucumber. Loewe is known for like funky scents, like tomato, cucumber. That's, yeah, literally tomato. And it's actually nice. It's like tomato basil. Oh, that's really so kind. Wow. That's so nice. Thank you, Rare Global. There was a card on the bottom, and they sent Octo Buddies. That's so fitting. Content creator energy. That's really. Oh, it's sticky on both sides.
Oh, is it so you can like...
You can put on your light. You could put it on all kinds of things. Yes, you could take it on and off. That's cool. Thanks, guys. Our last guest has arrived. And she ordered herself sugarfish. I'm so dead.
First time ever. I'm so excited.
I really hope it's really good. Oh, that is stunning.
Wait, it is really pretty.
That's really chic. I love that for you. So what's the review?
Very bad. Hate it.
You were so excited. What's bad about it? It's just everything.
Yeah.
You've had better sushi?
They got my order wrong.
Oh,
that was the worst part.
Yeah.
This is just bad. Do not order.
Do not order sugarfish.
hot take.
Such a hot take, I know.
No, my favorite TikToker said she hates sugarfish too.
Oh. Who's your favorite TikToker?
I forgot her name.
Oh. Guys, I have Apple Play on right now, or whatever this is called, screen mirroring, and we're watching these TikToks. Those are so funny, like the memes, and we're dying. Well, this side of the couch is dying laughing. They're like, I am cackling. All right, you guys, that is a wrap for Vlogmas Day 4. Wait, now I'm feeling like today's Vlogmas Day 5.
I don't know why I have an aversion to chicken.
No, it's Day 4. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Day 4. And tomorrow we have the start of our action-packed day. We're doing so many holiday things on Fifth Ave. We're going to see the tree, going to Din Tai Fung. Like, I'm so excited. So stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Today was kind of like a buffer day, okay? So thank you for watching, prepping for the guests, all the things. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Seven days of Vlogmas.